15 benefit of spinach and the reason why it is a superfood. The reason why spinach is considered a superfood. It's because of loads of nutrients and low calorie, and this leafy veggie could also benefit your skin, hair, and bones. If Popeye the Sailor could get his strength from spinach, you could do too. Hey there, and welcome back to another Healthify video. Today, we are going to tell you everything you need to know about spinach. Continue watching to learn more. So, what is spinach? Spinach, or Spinacia oleracea, is a leafy green vegetable that originated in Persia. It belongs to the amaranth family and is related to beets and quinoa. It's considered very healthy, as it's loaded with nutrients and antioxidants. Some of the powerful health benefits of spinach are stabilizes your blood glucose levels, reduces your risk of developing cancer, prevents you from cancer, and good for bone and eye health. Now, let's understand some of spinach's nutrition facts before we get into the health benefits. Carbs. Most of the carbs in spinach consist of fiber, which is incredibly healthy. Spinach also contains small amounts of sugar, mostly in the form of glucose and fructose. Fiber. Spinach is high in insoluble fiber, which may boost your health in several ways. It adds bulk to stool as food passes through your digestive system. This may help prevent constipation. Vitamin A. Spinach is high in carotenoids, which your body can turn into vitamin A. Vitamin C. This vitamin is a powerful antioxidant that promotes skin health and immune function. Vitamin K1. This vitamin is essential for blood clotting. Notably, one spinach leaf contains over half of your daily needs. Folic acid, also known as folate or vitamin B9. This compound is vital for pregnant women and essential for normal cellular function and tissue growth. Iron. Spinach is an excellent source of this essential mineral. Iron helps create hemoglobin, which brings oxygen to your body's tissues. Calcium. Spinach contains 250 milligrams of calcium per cup. This mineral is essential for bone health, including your teeth, and a crucial signaling molecule for your nervous system, heart, and muscles. Also, in order to get the best out of spinach, it is also advised that you combine vitamin C-rich foods along with it, such as citrus fruits, to help increase your absorption of calcium. Magnesium. Magnesium is said to increase your metabolism, regulates your heart rhythm, and maintains blood pressure. Lutein. This compound is linked to improved eye health. Heme for all. This antioxidant may decrease your risk of cancer and chronic diseases. Nitrates. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which may promote heart health. Quercetin. This antioxidant may ward off infection and inflammation. Spinach is one of the richest dietary sources of quercetin. Zeaxanthin. Like lutein, zeaxanthin can also improve eye health. And now, here are the 15 health benefits of spinach you need to know. 1. Prevents cancer. Spinach contains two components, MGDG and SQDG, which may slow down cancer growth. In one study, these compounds help slow tumor growth in a person's cervix. They also decrease the size of the tumor. Several human studies link spinach consumption to a reduced risk of prostate cancer. Eating this leafy green may also help prevent breast cancer, stomach cancer, mouth cancer, and esophagus cancer. Likewise, one animal study notes that spinach might suppress cancer formation. Additionally, spinach packs high amounts of antioxidants, zeaxanthin, and carotenoids, which may also help fighting cancer, that can flush out the free radicals from your body. These free radicals make your body prone to many diseases, including cancer. 2. Reduces blood sugar. Spinach is said to have high potassium content that is usually recommended for people suffering from high blood pressure. So, how does potassium benefit a person suffering from high blood pressure? Well, potassium reduces the effects of sodium in the body. 3. Aids in good bone health. Spinach contains vitamin K that aids in good bone health, and this means adequate consumption of vitamins can do good to your health. It also improves calcium absorption by your body. Spinach contains 250 milligrams of calcium per cup, and this is as much required by your bones and teeth. Calcium is a strengthening agent for your bones and keeps our bones healthy. 4. Aids in weight loss. Spinach leaves aids in weight loss and also are low in calories. Its high amounts of fiber content also helps in good digestion, regulates low blood sugar, and prevents constipation. Spinach makes you feel full and curbs your appetite. So adding this to your everyday diet will help benefit you in multiple ways. 5. Good for your eye health. Spinach is rich in zeaxanthin and lutein, which are the carotenoids responsible for color in some vegetables. Human eyes also contain high quantities of these pigments, which protect your eyes from the damage caused by sunlight. Several studies indicate that zeaxanthin and lutein work to prevent macular degeneration and cataracts, which are major causes of blindness. These plant compounds may even be able to reverse existing damage. It also protects your eye from cataracts, age-related macular degeneration, and other eye problems. The vitamin A found in spinach is also another source that helps to maintain mucous membranes that are essential for normal eyesight. 6. Reduces hypertension. Hypertension is also known as high blood pressure. It's causing many heart diseases, kidney disease, and strokes. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which have been shown to help moderate blood pressure levels and decrease your risk of heart disease. 7. Has anti-inflammatory properties. This superfood contains zeaxanthin and violaxanthin, which are the two anti-inflammatory properties that regulate inflammation. Its high source of anti-inflammatory properties can help you prevent osteoporosis, migraine, asthma, arthritis, and headaches. 8. Keeps your body relaxed. Free radicals are byproducts of metabolism. They can cause oxidative stress, which triggers accelerated aging and increases your risk of cancer and diabetes. However, spinach contains antioxidants, which fight oxidative stress and help reduce the damage it causes. Its high source of zinc and magnesium enables you to get good sleep at night, and good sleep can heal you of all mental illnesses. This will help your body stay relaxed and rest your eyes. 9. Keeps your brain functioning normally. This leafy green helps in the smooth functioning of your brain, especially during old age. Therefore, consuming this leafy green on a daily basis will keep your brain active and enable you to think intelligently. Its content of vitamin K that helps a healthy nervous system and aid in normal behavior. 10. Boost your immunity. Vitamin A content found in spinach helps to strengthen the entry points in the human body, such as respiratory, intestinal tracts, and mucous membranes. It energizes you and keeps you active all day. 11. Prevents heart attacks and atherosclerosis. Over the years, excessive fat gets stored in your arteries, and this leads to thickening of the human artery, which results in strokes and atherosclerosis. However, the arteries tend to harden over the years. You need to consume spinach so that will prevent this from happening. This is because of a substance called lutein that is responsible for preventing your arteries from thickening. This substance also prevents the risks of developing heart diseases. 12. Prevents anemia. Spinach has a high source of iron content that can prevent you from the risks of developing anemia. Iron is also good for women who are menstruating, children, and adults. Iron also boosts energy in the human body and also helps in carrying oxygen to all the cells of the body. 13. Glowing skin. Your skin is the largest and the most sensitive part of your body, and if you are looking for the way to get that glowing skin, then you need to try consuming some spinach. However, our skin requires essential nutrients and minerals that need to keep it healthy, and as a result, this leafy green vegetable is the right dose that can do good to your skin. Some of the vital nutrients that spinach contains are vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, including vitamin K that plays an important role in healthy skin. 14. Prevents acne. Acne is a skin condition that can reduce your self-confidence in society and can also damage your skin and leave skin scars that can be permanent. Well, if you have acne, try consuming some spinach, and this can ease the inflammation in your skin and reduce acne. You can also prepare a facial mask by making some spinach paste and adding a little water. Once this is done, you need to apply it onto your face and wait for 20 minutes. This will reduce inflammation in your skin and remove dirt and extra oil that causes acne. 15. Natural anti-aging properties. Premature aging is one of the most common problems that most youths are facing today. However, spinach comes loaded with antioxidants that have the tendency to destroy and prevent free radicals that cause premature aging. Consuming spinach on a regular basis will benefit your skin and give it a shiny texture. Also, it will help rejuvenate your skin and make you look younger and healthier. If you're enjoying the video, you can give us a little support by hitting the like button below and turn it into a glowy and healthy blue. There are many ways to prepare spinach. You can buy it canned or fresh and eat it cooked or raw. It's delicious either on its own or in other dishes. So adding this green to your healthy diet will benefit your health in multiple ways. However, according to a recent study, raw spinach provides more antioxidants than being cooked. As researchers have taken gluten content found in baby spinach into a study and found that there was a 40% drop in just 4 minutes of boiling. In 90 minutes, there was a drop of 90%. So, the best way to get the most intake of gluten was to not cook spinach. In the other hand, instead of consuming it raw, you can also blend it into a smoothie, as it is said to generate more lutein. We hope you find this video helpful. So, how do you like eating your spinach? Do you like adding cooked spinach to your favorite main dishes or eating it raw? Do you like adding them in the smoothies? We love ours in berries or passion fruit smoothies. Leave us a comment. What are your favorite choices in the section below? To see more health and fitness video like this, feel free to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss any helpful tips again. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.